Welcome to Tiffany Lung at home. Look at here today. I made grilled beef with lemongrass stick and Tiffany way. So look, come with me, what you see, and I will teach you how to cook. Alright, so first what you need right now is, you can see some lemongrass stick right here I have. And it's already washed and clean. Then I have some of garlic and then also shallot. Okay, so first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the lemongrass first to put on the side. So you can see the stick like this. So I'm going to cut it because we're going to grill. So I'm going to cut this into this long. So it's about 3 to 4 inches. Okay, so I'm going to cut like that. And here. Okay, it depends how long do you like. Usually I keep this to cook something else. So just like that, okay? Then now I'm going to just cut that shallot out. You don't have to chop very fine because we're going to put in the blender. Okay, and then my garlic, just smash, you know, Tiffany way, just smash that. Easier, okay? And also it doesn't run away from you. So just do like, okay, awesome. So now I'm just frying. All right, so everything ready. So I'm gonna put on this. All right, so I have right here 2 pounds of ground beef. I use the shank. I always like the shank because it's the meat tastes better and it have that tendons, you know, so it tastes delicious. So I have 2 pounds here, but I already put in, you know, I run 3 times already at the butcher, you know, at the market. I tell them to run for me 3 times already. So half of this is already draw out the ice, and half of this is all steel icing. You see, steel hard, right? So what I do, I'm going to divide it in half. So I'm going to get my little blender here. I love this. So I'm take the hardest one. I'm going to put into my blender here. So I'm going to get another glove so that way it'll be faster for you. So I'm just using and put that in here. Okay, and my hard one, so I put half, okay, and half. So this is 1 pound in there and then 1 pound outside. So I have 1 pound of the beef, round beef is already still have ice. Then I have another pound is already draw out. So this one is, I put it outside, and this one I put in the blender. Okay, so now I'm going to put my garlic. I'm going to put my shallot. So everything in here. Okay, now, all right. So I'm going to take this glove out. I'm going to also seasoning in here. So that way you can be blend everything at one, and then you can mix the rest. So now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar, another half, so 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, if you like sweet, you can have 2. That's up to you. Okay, depend on your family. Okay, now I measurement this for 2 pounds. Okay, but in here only 1. Remember, later I will mix it together. And I use again, depend on your family. So my family like a lot of pepper, so I put in here 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. Okay, then I also have I love my mushroom seasoning, so 1 tablespoon. Okay, then I put also this mixing. I put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 and 3. Okay, for 2 pounds of ground beef, okay? And then I'm going to put in this. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Why? Because I don't use pork fat. A lot of people use fat to mix into this grilled beef. I do not do that because you know, I want it healthy, and also vegetable oil when you grill them doesn't make your meat dry, and also it doesn't, you know, it doesn't dry your meat away. So I put a little more oil in it. Then I have this cold ice water, so I'm going to pour in here 6 tablespoons. 4 and 6, okay? So, and then one more, and I need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder. So put everything in here like that, okay? So I use this kind. I like this kind, okay? All right, so you're gonna mix everything in there like that, and then one more to make it thicker and more firm, okay? So I'm going to also use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or potato starch, okay? At home, I have cornstarch, so I put cornstarch. I used potatoes last weekend, so right there. Okay, so I have everything in the blender. So I put that on top and then blend. Just make sure it's all mixed well. All mixed well. It's kind of like what I teach you a meatball, but this is more grilled because I like it more, the texture is different. That's why I divide it into 2 different types. Because you keep blending, you don't have to blend really fine like meatball. You just need to mix all the ingredients and it makes more, you know, the taste is much better. All right. So now I'm gonna move around. Just make sure all the garlics and everything mix together and then blend well. Kind of help them a little bit. Okay, so you put it back, mix again, and again it's still cold. If you help your machine a little bit, sometimes it's still icing, so it takes a little, and there you go. Perfect. All right, now you take it out, mix it well. You see the textures of it, okay? So I'm gonna mix again. Awesome, so let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now you see the one, I have 1 pound of meat left. So I'm gonna pour the one we already blending into that. You see the paste? It's wonderful. So you just clean it out very well and put all together and mix well. All right, so now what I do is I'm going to pour with my spatula into here, okay? So right there. So you just put everything into one mix, okay? All right, so you got all the meats and everything, so I'm going to put glove on. I'm going to clean my spatula real quick, okay? Then I'm going to use my hand and mix it very well together. And it's kind of a little harder for you to mix, so usually I put a little oil on my glove, and just mix real much more easier. And mix really well. Because you're gonna have two textures of the meat combined. And that's why your grilled beef is so delicious. You can eat by itself. You can eat with, you know, the sweet and sour pickle. You can have with, you know, you can have with salad. And you can do, you know, like cuốn. You can do you can eat with bún. You can have with bánh mì, like, you know, bread. It's so easy to eat, and this is great for appetizer dish also. So you just mix really well, and it smells so good. Remember, all the seasoning we already blend into the blender already. So you just mix really well. See, into the ball like that. Again, just keep pour. Okay, there you go. So you can see all two different texture. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you how. So I mixed everything already. So I'm going to show you how to put in the lemongrass stick. So excited. So first you want to wear the glove, and you have a bowl of water. So you're gonna stick your hand into a bowl of water like this. So it's just kind of a little wet. You don't have to be too wet, just a little wet like that. And then you're gonna take the spoon and put the meat, depend on how big do you like your stick. So you're gonna put it like that and mix around like this, okay? And then pat it down. You see how I pat it down like that? And then you're going to take the lemongrass stick, you're going to put in the middle like that, and you're going to fold both sides just like that. And then you're going to pull into the shape, the long shape, and make sure it's packed into like that. And just roll it. Again, depend on how thick you like, how big you like, and okay. So like I say, if you like to hold the stick to hold the you know, the lemongrass to hold it up, you can make it longer. But for me, I just wanted the meat to cover the lemongrass stick. That's all. Okay. So it's like this to hold, like that, and roll it like this, and it look like that. Okay. So you're gonna put. Remember your tray. You're gonna put a little oil, so that way your meat don't stick into the tray. All right. So do it again. So you're gonna take that meat, put on here. If it feels stick, just put a little water in your glove. Okay. Some people wanna, you know, do without the glove, but but it's on I guess it's on video. So but usually I always put the glove on, so it's that way it doesn't get into my nails and stuff like that, right? So so here, so I always do with a glove. So I know the water in the glove is so much easy. And you just roll it like this and make sure it tack into there. So there you go. So it's very beautiful, and then you go into grill later. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. So your water, and also the water in your glove is great for the beef too. So it doesn't it's not gonna make it dry, right? So again, you round it like this. Pat it down flat, just like that, okay? And then put your lemongrass into the middle, roll on the side, on both sides, okay? And then you just flap it down and you can cover the whole lemongrass if you like. But this one, because the lemongrass I cut a little longer so I can show you. You can make it stick out of it, so it's really beautiful for your party, you know. So here you go, there. Okay, so see it's a little stick you can hold, so it's very cute for a party. So you can put on the bowl, you know, noodles, or you know, and they can wrap with the rice paper, okay, with a lot of salad and cucumber or plantain. So it's right there. It's like, okay, so you can put in a tray. All right, so I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to finish up there, and it's gonna show you how to grill. So this is bò nướng xả cay. Okay, so you're gonna take like that. Okay, this is very easy, and you can prepare this ahead before your party, and then like 30 minutes before your party you can grill them, or you can grill when the people be there. Okay, so you just go like this and hold it both sides. Perfect. There. Okay, there you go. See? So I just roll in a side like that to make it where the meat stick together. There you go. So I'm ready to grill. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to grill them. So in my this is my outside kitchen. I have two kitchens. One is outside and one inside. So this is my professional kitchen, also is outside. So that way my house don't smell bad. So here's the grill. Okay, it's hot right now. I love this. You can buy this in anywhere, or you can buy this in you know, at the store. Let me get the brand for you. So this is what I buy right here, and it's wonderful. So that way you don't make a mess out of your family. So what I do is I'm going to spray the spam. So I use this. So it's have a lot of on there. So that way when I grill, so you just make sure it cover. There you go. So a little grill there. Okay. Here is the tray I finished. Look delicious, isn't it? Is that wonderful? So you got that. Alright, so let's grill. Alright, look at that. It's so delicious. Look at this. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. So it's so delicious. Look at that. And it smells amazing. So you can see, oh my God. Let's see this. Oh my goodness. It is so delicious. Oh, they have a chocolate core on it. It's so delicious. So now I turn the stove off because it's all beautiful charcoal, and I just move it up like that. Which one is all the color is gorgeous, and I just move it up like that. Now what I do is I'm going to turn the stove off. So now I'm just brush that butter into. So let me move this a little closer so you can maybe you can see it better. Okay, so let's see. There you go. All right. So now just brush, and I turn the stove already on. So I'm just brush this butter very lightly. Ah, so yummy. Then it come out very beautiful color. There you go. You have a yummy, yummy bò nướng xả Tiffany way. So good. So you leave it there so it will cook by itself, and then the color is gorgeous. And there we go. So when it's done, you're gonna line all here and ready to serve. Oh my goodness. Just so, oh, now it's just the butter. You imagine? Oh, look at that. So technically you can hold it. Hot go. So you can hold you can hold it like this. Bò nướng xả cây của Tiffany nè. Grilled beef with lemongrass steak. Tiffany recipe. If you like it, follow me on YouTube channel Tiffany Lương at Home. This video coming soon.